Abbreviations. Abbreviations are a shortened form of words or phrases. They are made by leaving certain letters of words out and replacing them with other letters or symbols, typically a period. Sometimes abbreviations are used because there isn't enough space to write out the whole word. Or sometimes writing abbreviations is just faster. Picture this. Your teacher just assigned you to write out all 50 states on a small index card, and you only have 5 minutes to do it. You know that you only have a limited amount of space and time to write each state. So, how would you complete the assignment? By using abbreviations. Here's a list of all 50 states and their abbreviations. Notice how both letters are always capitalized? You also don't need to use a period at the end. The United States Post Office uses these abbreviations for mail. So, the next time you get the mail, you can look on the envelope and see if you can spot the abbreviation for your state. Common abbreviations. You probably use abbreviations most days and don't even think about it. We have already talked about the abbreviations for states. But what do you think are other common abbreviations? Do you know what the abbreviation JR period stands for? What about MD? If you said they stand for junior and medical doctor, you are absolutely right. Sometimes it takes time and practice to learn abbreviations. And sometimes you'll find that you know the abbreviation better than the word or phrase it's replacing, like AM or PM, for example. You probably know that AM means morning time before noon, and PM means afternoon and evening time before midnight. But do you know what the letters actually stand for? Let's look at this list of common abbreviations and see what we can find out. Can you find AM and PM on the chart? Okay, here it is. AM literally means ante meridiem, which is Latin for before noon. And PM stands for post meridiem or afternoon. That's cool. Do you see any other abbreviations you recognize? How about MR period for Mr. and MRS for Mrs.? Did you know that those are abbreviations? Some more common abbreviations include the days of the week, months of the year, and time, and measurement. Learning these basic abbreviations can save you lots of time and help you understand things like recipes and maps. Fun fact, contractions are also a type of abbreviation. Can't stands for can not. Won't stands for will not. And it's stands for it is. Can you think of any other contractions? Nice work. Even though it can seem a little overwhelming at first, the more you see, read, and use abbreviations, the faster you'll be able to learn them, and the easier they'll be to use. Hope you had fun learning with us. Visit us at learnbright.org for thousands of free resources and turnkey solutions for teachers and homeschoolers.